In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix TikTok login error on iPhone. Let's get started. If you're seeing the no internet connection error or videos not loading, you can follow these steps. You can try to log into TikTok in the web version if you're having issue in the app. Likewise, check the server status of TikTok. So navigate to the website like Town Detector, search for TikTok. If there is outage, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If TikTok servers are down, there is nothing wrong with your phone or internet connection. It's a server-side issue. Usually the problem resolves itself once TikTok fixes the server problem. In the meantime, all you can do is wait a bit and try again later. However, just be sure you can restart your phone, check your internet connection, and make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. Once those steps are done, the app should start working normally again. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.